So instead of being angry at my dad because he was so old and I didn't get to a proper father-son relationship, instead I can take a little bitty piece and say, oh, well, you know what? Then it puts a little bit of it on me. Now I can have ownership of it. And now I can go apologize, at my father's grave if I want to, and let him know. And not that I'm like, because then it just gives me ownership. Now I'm in control of our relationship again. And now I can rebuild memories. And now I don't have that. Now there's no anger between us anymore. Now it's an opportunity for us to